So I'm just going to show you a couple of quick things to get started. One, how to mount your lens. So this is really simple. You have a body cover here to protect the lens or to protect your sensor, and we're just going to turn it counterclockwise and it will just come off. Then we will just remove the rear lens cap. It's just a friction fit, so you just pull it off. And then you have the red dot here and the red dot there. And you want to match those up and then turn clockwise till you hear a click. Not sure if you heard that or not. I hope you did. And then you just remove your lens cap. Now your lens is attached and you're ready to insert the battery in your memory card. In the bottom compartment here, we do have the battery compartment. And here to insert the battery, you're just going to use the red dot and match that, or sorry, the orange dot, colorblind. The orange dot, you're going to match that up with the little yellow tag that's here and making sure that your contacts go down into the bottom of the camera. And then I'll insert my memory card here, fully formatted, ready to go. And we just place it into the memory card slot. And you press it all the way down until you hear a click and it doesn't spring back. To remove the memory card, you just press it and it will spring back to you. And then to remove the battery, it's just the sake of moving this little yellow clip, and then the battery will push out for you. So we'll just put that back in, and there we go. So now we're going to go through the initial setup of the camera itself. So I'm just going to swivel my screen so I can see it. And right away, it's going to ask us for our language. So we're going to go English. And now it's going to ask me if I want to pair it with my phone. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to hit OK to pair it, and I'm going to open up my app. And now it's right away going to ask me which camera I'm going to choose to connect to. So it's an X series camera with interchangeable lens, and we just got to find the model. So you can see all the different models here, and there's the X-A7. So we're going to add the X-A7, and we're going to hit proceed. Pretty simple. We can already see that the camera's already been detected, so we're just going to select the camera. And now it's already asking me if I want to select or set the time and the date. So I don't even have to go through that whole process. The camera will do it directly from my phone. So I hit OK. And now I can actually have it do some smart syncing like GPS and location and time. So I'm actually going to set it to location and time. And there we go. So the camera's already set up, and now I can start using my the camera remote app to control the camera. I can download my latest firmware as well. So here under the settings, we're going to see firmware update. We're just going to select that. We know that it's for the X-A7, and we're just going to download it. We're going to agree, and we can see the progress bar there happening. So now it's downloading the file to my phone. And once the phone is downloaded the file, it will ask me if I want to actually update the camera. It's almost done. And there we go. So now I'm going to update the camera. And now it's asking me, okay, this is my current version, and I'm going to now upgrade to the latest version. We're going to switch to Wi-Fi to transfer the file because it's a more stable and a faster connection. And now it's receiving. And we can see the nice little progress bar here. And now it's actually applying the update to the camera. All done. So now it tells us that it has been completed and to turn off the camera. So now we've turned off the camera, we hit OK, and then we can turn the camera back on. And we're all ready to start shooting. So my camera's now, the date and time has been set, the language has been set, the latest firmware has been installed, and I have a card in my camera ready to shoot. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you a lot with your new X-A7. If you have any questions, comments, please do post them in the comments below. Follow us on Twitter and on Instagram. And until next time, I'm Jerry of the Fuji Guys.